Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2007 Subaru Outback all-wheel drive. 28,889 miles on it, stock number 4148. This vehicle was disassembled. The body shop was going to repair it, and they did do a tear down on it. We did put some of it back together. So we'll go around it and do a walk around here. We can see the passenger side fender, and then this wheel is pushed back. I do have some pictures, a video on the rack, and you'll be able to see what's it's going to need a lower control arm in the front. It really didn't go into the firewall at all. Windshield looks good, and we'll give you a little view of the front here. We'll open the hood up. Coolers are all good on it. You can hear it run. This cover did get broken a little bit on the bottom there. A little piece of it. We do have one headlight. We're missing the mounting bracket though for that. And it looks like it's going to need a hood for sure right there. It might be repairable. Depends how much you want to work at it. And coming around to the driver's side. A little view of the front there. Driver's fenders gone. Driver's door opens and closes fine. And this side on the back is fairly clean on it. We didn't get that. There's a molding, rocker molding that goes on the bottom. We did not get that with it. And then coming up on top here, you can see that this spoiler here did get hit on it. And it did spring this top a little bit. You can see there that the gap was a little wider on it. And there's some little, I don't know, wear marks, some scratches there in the bumper cover. Coming around, this wheel did get hit. We did change the suspension on that. That wheel is tipped. It's probably going to need a knuckle yet. You can see that rim is not good. And they did have the quarter window cut out of this when they were repairing it. We just taped that back in, so keep the inside looking nice. And then you can see there's some damage into the quarter, the dog leg and the right rear door, and then that molding. This door still opens and closes yet. And the passenger front. And we'll take a shot here. Looks like there's the other running light right there that's damaged. We do have both headlights. That one for sure is not good. And then I believe this one is still good yet. Well, it's got one hole right here, but might be able to repair. That one might be possibly usable. And some leftover pieces and parts. So we'll go on the inside. This vehicle does have power windows, power locks, air, cruise, tilt, power mirrors. We do have heated seats, very clean inside. I want to point out that the passenger side roof bag is deployed on it. That's the only bag that is deployed. And we do have the books for the car. Very clean inside. And there's some lights on the dash. And we did get 3 keys and 2 clickers for it. So if you have any questions, and it looks like the driver's seat is powered too. If you have any questions, well, we're going to go on the lift. We're going to put this on the lift, so we'll see you. Well, here we are with this Subaru on the lift. And you can see this right front lower control arm is damaged on it. You can really see it here from the back side. I give you a better view here from this angle. I don't see anything into the rack. Looks good. You can see here the tie rod end is bent, and that wheel is pushed back from the lower control arm being bent. A little wider view of it here. Don't see anything into the, where the ears of the cradle are moved at all. And we'll go to the back of this vehicle, and you can see that that right rear wheel is tipped. And I want to point out we did replace this arm, and that arm had some real obvious bow in it, and I see the wheel is still tipped. And also I looked at the rear cradle on this vehicle, and I don't see any evidence of that it's damaged. Nothing real obvious there. So like I say, this one arm, these two lower control arms were replaced on this vehicle so we can make it drive a little better. And I want to point out too, somebody unbolted the rear part of the exhaust when they were going to fix this thing, so, and I did not receive those parts. So again, I'd like to thank everybody that signed up for our YouTube channel, and please sign up for that. You'll have some information on how you can receive free video updates of inventory coming into Advanced Auto. So thank you again. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is Repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post the video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email, and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on Repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there is also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold, and it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, you know, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, Repairables.com. And I want to thank you again. Thanks again.